Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Docusign for digital contracts. It will be really simple and easy. So I will show you how to use Docusign to create, send and sign contracts effortlessly. So start by logging into your Docusign account, click on Start and select Send an envelope. Upload the document you want to send for signatures by dragging it into the upload area or selecting it from your device. Adding recipients and roles. Add the email addresses of your recipient. Assign roles such as signer, approver, or reviewer depending on the nature of the contract. Placing signature fields. Use the drag and drop tools to add signatures, date, and text fields to the document. Position these fields where you need input from the recipient, then sending and tracking. Once everything is in place, click send. DocuSign will email the document to your recipient. You can track signing progress in real time from your dashboard. Then signing a document. When you are the signer, simply click on the email link, review the document and use the signature tool to sign digitally. You can draw your signature, upload an image or use the system's auto-generated signature. DocuSign streamlines contract management, making it faster and more secure. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to use DocuSign for digital contracts. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.